Hi, I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org, and today I'm going to show you how to organize a drawer with a drawer organizing system. Now, this is a drawer organizing system that we got at Costco. Lots of different stores sell things like this to organize your drawers. They are little boxes that you could put inside of a drawer. They're wooden. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and see what is inside. Okay. Okay, so they are open-sided boxes, so they look really good. And you can mix and match, however you want to organize things in a drawer that are out of control. So as you can see, it's kind of like Tetris. It's cool. So you could arrange and rearrange however, So let's take a look inside the messy drawer that I want to tackle. Here is the messy drawer. As you can see, junk is thrown every which direction. This drawer really needs an organizing system. Let's start by taking everything out of the drawer. We just shovel everything out. The only organizing box that was in here before is this blue thing that had some of my hair baubles in it. So other than that, we just dumped everything into this drawer. So you take everything out of the drawer and then you can wipe down the drawer. You can then dry it with a paper towel, and then you are ready to do this. Now, this is not going to be right because this is way too big. So that's not the right one. Okay, so here we have the configuration of boxes. They're just put together like this. All right, now we are going to organize the things that we have. So only put the things back that you actually love and want to keep. So everything else will, you can get rid of. All right, so this box, for example, is going to be for hair things. Yep. All right. And okay, clips. I want to be able to find my clips more quickly, so I'm going to put the clips and my ponytails. I try to find my ponytails. It's too hard to find in a lot of stuff there. Bobby pins as well. Okay. Now, there are some things that I like for traveling, and so I want to have some traveling things, like these are nail polish removers. It's for traveling, makeup removers. Extra toothpaste. Travel size toothpaste are good if you have a larger family, and if you're going to camp or whatever, it's nice to have several of those. As you can see, I'm putting taller things that stand up in the back, and then shorter things in front of it so that you could see everything. That way it's easy to find. Actually, does this fit too? Nope, it doesn't. here we're going to combine these two bags. So there's no reason to have two. So we're going to I'm going to put the Q-tips into our main Q-tips in the other room. And I'm going to put these into here. And here is the finished drawer. As you can see, everything is neat and tidy, and you basically know where everything is. You can organize things that are similar in the different compartments. For example, teeth things can go in one place, hair things in another place, clips or that kind of thing in another place, moisturizer in another place. Bottles of things you can have upright in a compartment if the drawer is tall enough for that. So this is one way that you can organize your drawer. One more thing I wanted to show you is you can actually buy one of these, which is for silverware, and you can use it in your bathroom. And so I bought this at a home goods store. So this is another option for how to organize drawers, especially in your bathroom. I'm Susan Evans from susanevans.org. Thanks for watching.